Welcome to Manitowoc Garage. In today's video, we'll be doing an overview of the locations and the diagnostic lights on CCS modules of Grove cranes. So to start with, we'll have four different types of modules used on CCS era machines. Two smaller type modules that have the exact same cases on them will be the SCMs and the IOSs. Physically, the difference between an IOS and an SCM is only the amount of pins located in the plug. For technicians' reference, there is an identification tag located on every individual box that tells them if they're dealing with an SCM type module or an iOS. We then have the larger two-plug modules, which will be the CCM modules, and the IOLs or IO larges. Once again, the difference being the amount of pins located in the plugs. Now on the larger modules, we have four lights that we'll refer to as the diagnostic LEDs. However, there's four here. We'll see if we take an internal look into the actual box itself that two of the lamps are not actually attached to the board. So irregardless of how many lamps are shown on the face of the box, we will only be utilizing two for diagnostic purposes. The same applies with the smaller type modules as well. You will see two different lamps. We'll be going to a machine here shortly, but as a quick reference, the color coordination of the lights, a good status should be two solid green LEDs, no blinking. The one lamp itself stands for KL15, D+, or ignition power. Both previous abbreviations for ignition, KL15 and D+. This can be referred to directly on the wiring schematics provided by Grove upon sale of the machine. The second light illustrates CAN bus status. It should also be solid green. If blinking, red, green, or shown in a red status, this means that there is a cable break of the CAN, or this individual client module is not talking to the master. We'll be going to the machine and I'll show you the difference of the status of lights depending on the situations and the error code that is correlated with those. So here we can see the carrier module has come online to the rest of the CAN bus. These two solid green lights are illustrating to us that the D+ ignition signal, the processor power, has woke the module up and started the CAN driver. And the second light is showing that the CAN bus status is fine and it is communicating with the rest of the machine. In this example, we can see our secondary light, or the CAN bus communication light, is now blinking repetitively and is flashing red. This is illustrating to the technician or serviceman that the module is currently offline. There will be a matching CAN bus style error code on the display showing this. We now see a third light arrangement here where both of the lights are now off. However, the display is going to show you the exact same error as this module being offline due to CAN bus status. So with both lights being off, this is showing that either D+ or the UE processor power for the module is missing. To where the previous example, the power light was illuminated, which could have told the technician that we just had a cable break on the CAN bus. The three main modules on a CCS machine are CCM10, CCM11, and SCM0. We're currently on the passenger side of the superstructure, in which all CCM10s are located on Grove domestic machines. CCM11 on all Grove machines will be the controlling module over the carrier portion of the crane. On all Grove domestic machines, 11 is typically located right in the battery box. Location of the master module for all Grove cranes will be in the power panel located behind the superstructure cabin seat. By removing the thumb screws on all Grove domestic machines, the panel will fold down, giving you access to the SCM module. Thanks for checking in and viewing this episode. We hope you found this information helpful, and as always, make sure to check back in for new videos coming in the near future.